Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Right. I'm recording today. I've made a why today we got several company want to learn English. This is talking about from high school want to learn English. Then today this is very awesome topic. Make us confident. How we'll think about. I'm not explaining about all of lot about how it make us confident for people. I want to explain about my experience at the time. Exactly almost 11 years to start learning English at the time. Every single day, every single night, every single week, every single time, every single year at a time. You know what? I'm still learning English. That's the wrong word. It's probably an infant now. At a time, since 2014 at a time, met people at a time. My English very totally bad at the time. I don't know, my English very totally bad. I'm damn people, poor people at the time. My pronunciation neon, except funny. At a time, that guy mocking me, but don't worry about that. I'm still, thinking, not matter, bad situation from the United States, his name is Ilang King at the time. Hey, Paul, don't worry about that. So why you don't confident about yourself? Don't worry about when you got wrong or mistake, a lot of mistakes or speak English. No, don't worry about that. Because that is not your mother tongue. That is not your native language. So what for? You're gonna be shy. What for? You're gonna be unconfident. At a time, I'm thinking about day by day, weeks by week, time by time. For the time to time. I hit a book, I hit computer, I hit people. No, I don't hit people. I hit a teacher who want to speak English at the time. I learn every single day, every single night, every single night, every single year. And I spend my whole life, almost 12 hours, then not hit a book. That's because I just suggest every single people would want to know this. So to be confident. Depend on people, depend on conditions. Like Miss Bonnie said just now, rich people, wealthy people gonna be confident. Yeah, just because they're rich people, wealthy people. So what are poor people? I don't have a date, I have no food, can't speak Banda Aceh. I'm still learning Banda Aceh nowadays. Can't speak, Banda Aceh, but I very totally confident people. I can make easygoing, than friendly, than making people, to get very close. So this is my dream. How to get it, make confident myself. So the point is, I just suggest every single people worldwide nowadays, be confident in yourself, learn little by little. Because introvert, extrovert people very difficult to change that mindset. Alright, that's my time. Speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.